The minute I stopped trying to impress people, the money showed up. I used to think that I needed to be liked. Like being liked was the secret to success. And so I found myself over delivering, over explaining, and overextending myself in order to get a sale and to keep a client. But the moment I decided to not seek external validation and to care less about what people thought and how I showed up on the sales call and how I showed up, the more money I made. And it's such a different way of showing up because many of us have been told people buy from those that they know, like, and trust. And so we find ourselves operating as people pleasers, doing things, making exceptions, bending our own rules, our own policies over and over and over again, thinking that it's going to attract more people, close more deals, and help us make more money. But the secret to doing that is actually to be detached, to whether someone buys from you or not, to be detached from whether someone says yes to themselves through your offer. I mean, I can remember spending so much time on a sales call, not even realizing that I was in that people pleasing, convincing, cajoling manner. And yes, the individual signed up for the 10,000, 15,000 plus offer, but it was a high paying headache because I found myself caring more about their results than they did, having them make excuse after excuse after excuse why they weren't taking action on the results that they had told me and that they wanted. And then me overworking, trying to over deliver and find ways to help get them on board with their results until I realized, like, I'm working harder than I need to. Like, I can't be more committed to your results than I am. And it wasn't a them problem, it was a me problem, right? Because I was operating from a place of lack, a place of poverty, and a place that there isn't enough, and I wasn't enough. But the minute I remembered that people don't buy from you because you're nice, they don't buy from you because they like you, they buy from you. Those are premium value clients who are invested in their success. They buy from you because you're clear, you're calm, and you're confident in who you are and in how your offer can help them solve their biggest problem or achieve their biggest goal or desire. That it's actually about you staying within yourself and being detached to whatever they decide to do and detached to the result. Because really, one of the secrets of selling is to not sell, right? I don't have anything to sell to you, right? It's here is an offer that can help you achieve these results. And I have a track record of helping others achieve these results. And is this something that you desire to achieve with working in partnership with me? Are you desiring for me to be on your journey and partner with you this? And if it's a yes, that's fantastic. And if it's a no, that's fantastic. In fact, if you want to learn the 7 biggest money mistakes that female entrepreneurs make that keep them from millions, I have a free training available for you. You're going to learn how you can raise your fees without feeling guilty and adding more to your plate. You're going to understand why you're not getting in front of premium value clients and what you can do to attract people who are ready to invest in your highest level offer, and how you can have a 5, 6, or 7-figure launch without burning out and working more hours. So you want to make sure to grab that. You can go to the description box and or the comment section here in this video. Don't make the mistake of thinking that being over accommodating and overextending yourself and being, accessible and actually breaking your own rules and policies is going to help you make more money. It's actually going to attract more of the wrong clients, repel more of the premium value clients that you desire to work with, and result in you working harder than you need to and making less money. And I found the more that I was detached from the results and more that I stayed within my frame and was focused on how I showed up as a leader, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as someone who helps people experience a transformation in their business and their sales and help them make more money doing what they love to do without working more hours, that I heard more yeses. And I was firmer in qualifying, right? Like, no more accepting people who, when they fill out the form, you can sense from their answers this is not going to be a fit. Being like, oh, well, I'll still talk to them. Like, no, this doesn't look like it's a fit. In fact, I had a client who was getting ready I invited them, if it made sense for them, to re-enroll. And I fell back into these people pleasing, wanting to be like, overextending, over-explaining behaviors when I was sharing what the offer would look like. And they're like, Althea, you're doing too much. Like, I'm already bought in. Right? I was like, it's not fully out of me, but it's a reminder that we can't out earn our beliefs. There was still a part of me that felt like that I wasn't enough. So I had to over explain, overextend myself, over deliver, when all that does, and she was kind enough to let me know, is repel the premium value clients who will happily enroll in your highest level offer because you're clear, you're calm, you're confident, and you're detached. I remember coach saying, needy is creepy, and you're unconsciously repelling those people who you could help, who you can help with your neediness. What's the easiest way for you to make more money without having to work harder? Be detached. Being detached, not being a people pleaser, can seem so foreign. Like, wait, if I'm accommodating, wouldn't they buy more? No, it's one of the mistakes I see female entrepreneurs make time and time again. I'd love to hear in the chat who is ready to make more money without working more hours. Type in the chat, detach. Because being detached to the results, being detached to whether someone says yes or no to you, is a way for you to do just that. Can't wait to see you in the training. Can't wait to see all the detached comments below. Until next time, take care. Love you. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.